Hartman adventures at them, man. Whew. Cold water this morning. Cold water. Ooh. Good morning to all of the Hartman Adventures family. Out on another fishing adventure this morning. Facing a high tide this morning, man, and this water is freezing. Wow. I have no idea if I'll find anything in this cold water. Then lazy if you bite when the water cold a morning time sometime. So you can see if we're going to find anything. Ooh. What's up, you guys? What's up? What's up? What was that? BL slam. Good thing I want light lure, me I use the fly off. Alright, I'm starting out with my Yazori inshore twitch. Yeah, man, I'm starting out with the Yazori inshore twitch, and I'm starting out with the pilchard color. See if I can give you guys a glimpse of what it is. You guys should know this lure by now. There it is. Yazori inshore twitch, pilchard color. And one of my subscribers did ask if I can do a rundown of the rod and reel setup that I'm using. So the rod I'm using is the Handin Magic L Fast. It's a 7 foot 6 inches 2-piece heavy. This rod, I've been using it for maybe close to a year now. I'm not even sure. Oh, yeah, I've been using this rod for close to a year now. Fantastic rod. I have zero complaints about this rod. It handles big fish like nothing. Cast the small lures them a mile out. Very light and just a very nice fishing rod to use. The problem with this rod is that I think they are discontinuing this rod, because I contacted Handin. I sent them an email about the rod, and they told me that they will be discontinuing the rod. So unfortunately I'm not sure that these rods you'll still be able to source them. But it's the Handin Magic L Fast. The reel I'm using, the reel I had on it before was a Cast King Sharky 3000, but I took off that reel, so now I'm using a Daiwa. This is a Daiwa Laguna. Is it Laguna? Laguna or something like that. Yeah, Laguna. Daiwa Laguna 5000. And I'm using 20-pound spider wire high-vis braid. So that's the setup I'm using today. For that subscriber that was asking, hopefully that was good enough of a description, but if you should get this setup, it's fairly cheap enough. It's not a expensive setup, but trust me, it's a setup that you will really enjoy fishing with. You don't need, if you're going lure casting, you don't need to bring more than just this rod and some lures. This rod can cast up to a 40-gram jig or lure, so you can cast light lures, you can cast medium light lures or medium sized lures. You can cast spoons that are up to probably 2 ounces on there without any problem. So this is a very nice rod if you want, if you're interested, if you can find it, that is. Very nice setup to get if you are interested. Usually I used to add my setup gears to the video descriptions, but I stopped, so I'm gonna start adding them to the video descriptions again, so you can check the video description for the setup that I'm using. This water is cool, man. Blows all my toe, them are cramp up already. Woo! Cold water. It's not clear, this water is brown water today. But yeah, just stick around, see if I can find something for hook up. You guys will be in on the action again. In the meantime, just go and hit the like, share and subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Stick around for the action. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, guys. I recently finished this lure. Want to see if I can get a run out today. This water is ice cold, man. Oh, I soon move from here, so cause woo, water is cold, man. This water is cold. Yeah. So this is a diving popper that I made recently. Want to see if I can get a run out, see how it swim. Well, I know how it swim because I've tested it, but I haven't really done fishing with it as yet. So yeah, see if I can do a little cast around the edge or so. Normally we have bait in that area here, but water is so cold today, I highly doubt there's gonna be any bait. So yeah, just stick around and see if I can make a few casts in here so with the popper. See if I'm going to get anything. Alright, first cast with the popper. Not bad. That was a really easy cast I did. This water is cold, man. Guys, can you see that? See that? Can you guys see that? Look at the bubble trail that it leaves. Yeah. Oh, there. Alright guys, now see if I can change spot or find somewhere else to go. The water cold this morning. I have no idea where I can go this morning. Forget something with them lures. Water too cold today, man. Whew. My toes are cramped. Yeah man, the water very cold today. So don't know how the lure session I go. Maybe when the sun come out and the day get a bit warmer, because honestly for the past couple of days we've been having a lot of rain, a lot of overcast skies, so can fully understand why we have cold water this morning. Probably about the last almost 5 days it's just pure overcast skies and overcast skies and rain. So the water today is not clear. The water is brown, very brown, and it's cold. So yeah, let me see if I can shift up space, try to find another spot for fishing. Don't know if I can get any hookups, but you guys will see where I end up. Just stick around. Yeah, finally reach at a different spot. Water this morning was just too cold up there, man. So hopefully me come here so today me can find something. Maybe a one snook or something, jack, barra, pretty much anything I can find. Water is a bit low, it's not as high as the last time I was here, but it does seem like it rained in the area yesterday afternoon. Usually the day following the rain you don't normally find the snook them in here a feed. So hopefully today that's not different. Oh, there was a barra following the lure. Right. And final stop what I'm gonna make for today. When we leave here, so I'm gonna go straight home. But it starts to get very windy now, so I'm not going to talk a lot or narrate. I'm just going to cast lures, and if I get hooked up, that's just how it is. The audio is gonna be crappy because of the amount of wind down here now. So just stick around and show some lures. When we get hooked up, you guys will see it. There's a lot of small bait fish right here at my foot. Small lizard fish, really small lizard fish. Grab that back hook, just release him same time. See him there? Really small lizard fish. Alright, fish on. Fish on, guys, fish on. Fish on. Small barra. Right. Normally I let go them size, yeah, but not today. Not today at all. Whew. See him here? Show you guys. Alright, relax, relax, relax. Single hook, I grab him again. Alright, see him there? Very small one, but not letting go this one today at all. It's probably gonna be the only fish in my freezer this weekend, because we've been having lots of rain and choppy weather, choppy water, so haven't really been doing a lot of fishing. So that one I gonna remain. Keep that one there. Normally I let go them smaller size there, but I keep that one there today. It's a bit awkward casting from under the tree, so I'm probably gonna shift down to that rock down there. This is the lure that I caught it on. This is the latest in the Jamrock line. I recently finished this lure, so time to leave, guys, cause I feel rain dropping and I don't plan to get myself, don't plan to wet up again and go in my car. So time to run now. Rain, rain, rain. Not a big one, see him there? I'm small, but just how go and work with him. So thanks again for tuning in, guys, and catch you in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.